had.
So the murals in this room depict American folk hero Paul Bunyan, and they were painted by James Watrous, who received his bachelor's degree, master's degree, and PhD here at the university. We knew that any construction, any rattling that happened would damage the murals in the Paul Bunyan room. The question was really, what's the best way to preserve them?
And they wanted to make sure that these murals were protected. All the panels have wood trim around each panel, and so that was removed first. Then the panels were removed. They were wrapped and then put into crates so that they could be stored off-site. So now we're back and we're reinstalling them.
Many of these spaces really are historic, so I think it's an important part of our history, not just here at UW-Madison, but really part of the American story. And that's so much of what we're about and what we do here, and these murals are really a reflection of that.